So here we have created the app. You can choose at most 3 songs from our library. We have 8 songs in our library, and you can basically remix it. Okay, so if you click on the mix, then it will call the API, and the API will run our machine learning model behind the scenes and give the audio back. So just so I am taking here the animals and Benton theme, and just let's mix it. Hi. So we are basically going to do the project in 4 steps. First, we will segregate the bits from the track. So that will be done using dynamic programming. So we have used the bit track function, which uses dynamic programming in the backend from the Librosa library. So that will be doing the beat tracking. So you can see here that we have the music and the beats are generated, like the beats are separated here. Okay, so next we have to uh, extract the features from the segregated bits, because in the graph we can see the time versus amplitude, but that cannot be used for classification or clustering. We have to extract the features of the bits. So we have used the short time Fourier series transformation to basically extract the features. We had options like MFCC also, but I think I have experimented both of them, and I found that STFT is a good fit for this here. Okay, so here the each line is indicating the features of a bit. So if there are 10 bits in this, like suppose 20 bits or 30 bits, then there are 30 lines also. Then the x is the ith feature. Okay, so I have extracted 50 features, and so there are the 50 features, and the values are there from 0 to 1. Then I have clustered the bits. So we got 5 clusters out of the bits, and uh, basically we have 5 groups of bits. Then we have generated the music. So the logic was at each bit, so we are generating the music, and at each bit we have 2 options, that we can go to the next bit, or we can go to the bit of its own cluster randomly. So uh, so we are going to next bit, next bit, next bit, and here instead of going to next bit we are going to a cluster. So this process is randomized right now, and 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 the new set of bits are generated here, a new list of bits, and that will be our music. Now what we can upgrade here, we can add a RNN classifier to judge if the next cluster here can fit there or not. If it can be, then we can go here or there. So that's the basic machine learning behind the project.